Hello, hi. Welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Your Federation Maruna continued with a radio talk. Hey, Maruna is in the radios speaking about how her lobola went well. Ubongo is heartful. How her lobola went well, everything is going good, and the mom is saying how the wedding is going to be a great twang, and her child is not going to be embarrassed. We all know that Umaruna is going to be married to this guy. Ubongo is going to be married to Umaruna by force, and now, even though Gabriel has changed tune and is blaming Felicia in the presence Bongo, because Bongo now is like, he looks like a stupid son who cannot see something is wrong with my mom, something is not cooking the way it's supposed to cook here. But maybe the storyline wants it to push it like that or show us a narrative way Ubongo is slow, I don't know. But Ubongo Themba lo bhuti umhambisa wena kuma-golf, hey kuhlanganiswa amadili. Hey, Ubongo is smitten, right, by Gabriel, but Gabriel is low-key abusing Felicia. What I hate about the storyline currently is that Felicia can easily tell Ubongo the truth. The reason why I'm married to your stepdad, this is what's happening, and put all the truth on the table and let life be. But for some reason she's not doing that. What she did instead is she called Abu Babu Mngane and asked Abu Babu Mngane to come over. Will they intervene? Will they solve the problem? We are yet to see. What we do know is that Maruna pleaded for usisi wakhe to say usisi wakhe akabuyele ekhaya because usisi wakhe did not create all this mess. She also asked umfundisi ukuthi umfundisi amthandazele so that Ubongo can love her again the way he used to nan because she believes ukuthi prayer can be the only thing remedying this situation. Ishmael was caught out of the lie. Ishmael, no ID. Ishmael is not getting the ID. Ishmael was barking. Scammed. Yes, that's the word, was scammed. Ishmael had to tell the truth. Lehona under duress. The truth is he won't be getting an ID anytime soon. The truth is he was scammed. The truth is he did not grow on a silver platter and he does not have a birth certificate even at this point. What's going to happen? How is Genesis going to help him? We are yet to see. But when they help him, will they also help the friend? Because friend is in the same boat.